The CanDo Back Stretcher is designed to mimic the natural curve of the spine, correct posture, and stretch back muscles. Insert a blue curved piece into the sides of the black side rails. Screw the first curved piece into the side rails. Continue to slide the curved pieces into the side rails. Screw the middle curved piece into the side rails. Keep inserting the curved pieces into the side rails. Screw the last curved piece into the side rails. Simply recline on the CanDo Back Stretcher for 5 minutes as it supports the back and muscles. Regular use of the CanDo Back Stretcher may improve posture and relieve discomforts caused by poor posture, including muscle spasms, headaches, and muscle tension.